Welcome to Fluent Phonics. Today we will focus on mastering the pronunciation of the word accelerations. 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 Here's an example of how one might use it in a sentence. The car's rapid accelerations impressed the spectators at the drag race. Accelerations refers to the increase in speed or rate of motion, particularly when referring to a rapid or sudden change in velocity. Thank you for your time. If you enjoyed this, please like and subscribe for further content.